So these original Sony batteries only last so long, so I ended up getting an extra set of batteries, and this is going to be by K&F Concept. Now this is compatible with a bunch of different cameras, but I'm going to use it for my Sony ZV-E10. And inside the box, here's what we get. On the left side, there's going to be this little paper. And then on the right side, we have everything else. So starting up top, there's going to be the cable, and this is going to be USB-A to USB-C. And then here's the charging base. And we can charge up to 3 different batteries at the same time. And finally, the batteries themselves. And the biggest difference I'm noticing right now is going to be the color. So the regular Sony ones are going to be fully black. And of course, we have the logo Sony right on top here. Whereas these K&F Concept ones, it's going to look a little bit different. So it's going to be easier to distinguish the two. So if we take a look at the original Sony battery, this is 7.2 volts and 1020 milliamps. And now compared to the K&F Concept, this is going to be 7.4 volts and 1100 milliamps. So this will just give me a little bit more juice and last a little bit longer than this Sony one. And when it's time to charge these batteries, these just pop open right here. So this can be placed like so. And now time to plug in the cable. And it's also worth noting that at the top, we actually have 2 different ports. So the regular USB-A and then like a mini or micro USB. So I'll use my USB-C cable. And here's what happens when I plug it in. It immediately starts lighting up like this. And we can see that there's an animation for all 3 batteries charging. And when I take one of the batteries out, the animation stops on the other battery and the other 2 are still charging. So that's a quick look at the K&F Concept camera, battery, and charger.